Hi, today we will, as we said last lesson, we will start seeing some sentences as examples for the verb hacer in the present tense. Hacer, we've seen, means to do or to make. It makes things easier for us because verb hacer means both to make or to do, so we don't have to think which verb we need to use, right? So verb hacer is almost regular, we've seen, for the present tense. The only irregularity is in one single letter in the first person, right? For I, yo hago. This is the only irregularity, right? We change the C from the root of the verb for this G here. So I've written examples for each of the pronouns, right, using the verb hacer conjugated in the present tense. Remember that in Spanish, since the person or pronoun is always implicit in the conjugation of the verb, we can always omit the person, right, the subject. So we can actually say or omit I or you or he or we or you plural, they. Here I've written one example for vosotros and one example for ustedes. Remember that vosotros and ustedes means exactly the same thing. That is you plural, with the difference that vosotros is used in Spain and ustedes is used in Latin America, right? But it means exactly the same and they're both accepted and correct. Of course, the conjugation is different, right? Hacéis and hacen. So let's begin. Yo hago arroz. Arroz means rice, as I've written here in green, rice. Yo hago arroz. Remember, the double R means you pronounce it R, the hard R. When we say yo hago arroz, we mean I am making rice, or I make rice. We can say I cook rice. In Spanish you can say yo preparo arroz or yo cocino arroz. That would be I prepare rice or I cook rice. But it's also correct to say yo hago arroz. I make rice. Tú haces trampas. Tú haces trampas. Trampas is a plural for trap, right? When we prepare a trap for somebody. But when we say to make trampas or hacer trampas, it means to cheat. So, tú haces trampas means you cheat or you are cheating. Él hace trizas el papel. Él hace trizas el papel. Papel means paper. Trizas means shatters. But when you say hacer trizas, means to shatter or to destroy something. If we are talking about the paper, it means to tear the paper. So here we are saying he tears the paper, or he is tearing the paper. Él hace trizas el papel. Literally it would be he shatters the paper. Nosotros hacemos bien las cosas. Bien means well. Cosas means things in plural. Of course, it is a feminine noun, so we have a feminine and plural article here in las. So, nosotros hacemos bien las cosas. This means we make or do well the things. That would be, we do things well. It's a statement, we do things well. Vosotros hacéis vuestra tarea. Vuestra is your. Tarea is task, as it's written here in green, task. Since tarea is a feminine noun, vuestra is here ending in an A, because it's also feminine, right? Vosotros hacéis vuestra tarea. You make or do your tasks or your homework. So this would be, you're doing your homework or your task, or you do your homework. Ustedes hacen lío en todas partes. Lío is mess, to make a mess. Todas partes means everywhere. Actually, you can see it as two words. Todas means all, partes means parts. Literally would be all the parts or all parts. But when you say todas partes, as a phrase together, it means everywhere. So, ustedes hacen lío en todas partes. You make a mess everywhere. En todas partes. This would be, en todas partes would be everywhere, right? Would be the three words together. Ellos hacen las paces. The word paces is a plural word. It comes from the singular word paz, here. P-A-Z, right? P-A-Z. That means peace, right? Peace. In English, you don't use the plural of the word peace. You don't say pieces, right? You can say peace when you talk about a piece of something, but when you speak about peace, about world peace, that peace has not got a plural. In Spanish, it does when you use it in this phrase. Hacer las paces means to make peace, right? To make peace with somebody. After war, after an argument, after a fight, you make peace. Ellos hacen las paces. They make peace. So, this is the end of our 42nd lesson. Check this out. Vosotros, ustedes, you see, I already mentioned, it means the same thing, but here you can see how the conjugation changes, right? It's different. This is what's used in Latin America, this is what's used in Spain for the you plural, okay? So, I see you next time. Goodbye.